Dr. Victoria Su cares about her patients. As a clinical pharmacy specialist at St. Paul's Hospital Adult Cystic Fibrosis Clinic, Dr. Su looks after patients who have been on chronic medications and antibiotics their entire lives. To ensure her patients experience the best possible care and quality of life, Dr. Su navigates the complex process of obtaining experimental and compassionate treatment regimens, especially for patients who have failed or demonstrate intolerance to first-line therapies.
How we look after these patients is we follow up with them quite regularly, 3 to 4 times a year, and we at clinic time we review their medications very thoroughly, and just to make sure that everything's still indicated and everything is effective. And if we find that the patients are not doing well and we think that there's a new medication that could help them, or even the ones in experimental phase, I would try my best to get the patients on those medications in collaboration with the physicians.
New and experimental medications can be expensive and difficult to get approved, but they can also slow down rate of lung function decline, reduce the number of pulmonary exacerbations, and even prevent the need for hospitalizations, as well as improve a patient's quality of life. To make sure that new or experimental treatments are properly administered and monitored, Dr. Su is involved in all aspects of her patients' care, whether care is provided in hospital, at the clinic, or even at home. Once these complicated regimens are started, Dr. Su uses her extensive knowledge of pharmacotherapy to ensure that doses are adjusted properly and changes are made in response to her patients' symptoms and laboratory results. Dr. Su is also actively involved in research aimed at improving the outcomes and care for cystic fibrosis patients.
I think Dr. Su embodies what it means to be an academic pharmacist here at St. Paul's Hospital in the CF Clinic. She takes tremendous pride in her work and has been involved in a number of initiatives that have actually improved the quality of care in our clinic.
In addition to her role as a clinician, Dr. Su is a passionate teacher and a highly respected lecturer providing education to pharmacy students, medical residents, co-workers, and of course her patients, who are often worried about their health and ongoing needs. Dr. Su, for putting your extensive knowledge of pharmacotherapy to work as a tenacious advocate for your patients' well-being and quality of life, you have been named this year's Affiliate Employer Healthcare Hero. Generously sponsored by Pacific Blue Cross.